all, the quantitative increase in terms of height and weight as observed by the school physician during the physical examination of the students. Quantitative, letter N, meron siyang letter N, letter A, development, letter B, growth, letter C, learning, or letter D, maturation. What is our choice? All right, number 23, ICBs, and of course, that will be tumpak. Remember, quantity, that means numbers, no? So height, weight, and that, of course, pertains to growth, okay? Physical and biological changes. Kasi yung growth, no? So the increase in height, increase in weight, no? That's growth. So kapag ka medyo tumataba ka po, no? Medyo meron na tayong bilbil, okay lang po yan. Isipin nyo na lamang po, that's growth, okay? So growth po yan. You have to be proud of your bilbil dahil growth po yan. Okay, what about development? Development is function and behavioral changes. No? So, development, kumbaga, meron kang increase in function or nag-i-increase, nag-i-improve na yung inyong behavior. Okay, so that's development. Learning naman, adapting to environmental conditions. The change in behavior, di ba, is learning. And maturation, we call this as ripening. Yan po yung makikita ninyo sa let, no? Ripening. Ripening is maturation, coming to full development.